Hello guys, let's talk today about how to reset the Wyze Bulb. I have here the Wyze Bulb color and I want to reset it. I have here the app, right? Let me just remove from the app first. I click here on settings and then down here I can delete the device. Just remove it. So let's say you don't have it here or you're removing like I'm doing here. To make it work again, you see that it starts like flashing, right? When it's not connected to your cell phone, it starts flashing. But if it doesn't, if it's not flashing, right, you have to do is just turn off and turn on 3 times, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, just power on and off 3 times. And when it comes back, we're gonna see this lighting like flashing like this. And then it's ready to go. Then you can just add it again to your app. You come here to your Wyze app, you click here to add a new device, adding a new one here. In this case, it's power and lightning. I select my model here, Wyze Bulb color, click on next because it's flashing there. I have my Wi-Fi here, 2.4, don't use 5 gigahertz, doesn't work with 5 gigahertz, use 2.4. I have my password, you just click next, it finds it. Not saving the password, it just found my light bulb there. I click next and just wait for it to connect. And it's going to connect to the light again. Here we go. I give it a name. Let me just leave like this and then I finish it and I'm ready to go. Connecting to the light again. New firmware available. And then I can change the color here and play the way I want to, right? So pretty easy. That's the way you can reset your Wyze Bulb. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.